Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted to show you a new ICO which doesn't have any staking requirements, and the minimum to get in is $250. So really this is affordable for anybody, and it is called Gamestar. So you can see from the graphics here, and their website looks amazing. They are running an auction, and what I really like about this is that it is about empowering underprivileged players through the play-to-earn revolution. So, as you know, the gaming industry has made more revenue than music and film industries combined every year for the last 8 years, and this is why I'm so big on crypto play-to-earn gaming, that nearly every IDO I've gotten into has been in this niche, and nearly every video I'm doing is in the gaming niche because of this, because I feel that we have so much more room to grow in this niche. So this is yet another IDO in this space, and I'm really loving this. So this video is just to show you how you can buy some of their tokens. You can check out their website yourself. I will put a link to it below. Let's get started. So here is how you buy their token. It's called GSG. There's still 2 days, 5 hours, 50 minutes, 17 seconds left. And what's really cool is that you can go in contests to win one of the NFT cards or a brand new Tesla. So I've got my fingers crossed actually, because I've been driving the same car since 2004 and I haven't actually swapped it or upgraded it yet. I've got an old bomb that I'm still driving, so it would be handy to just be delivered a new car, rather than go through the trouble of buying a new one and all that goes with it. So fingers crossed. Anyhow, so between the 16th and 19th of December, Gamestar is conducting a token launch auction on Copper Launch, and we're doing a huge giveaway contest for all contributions over $250. So I mean, you can contribute less, but if you want to be in this contest, it has to be over $250 US dollars. So how you go about it is you click my link that I'll put below and follow the instructions. You connect your MetaMask wallet, and it's on the Ethereum blockchain. So I haven't even bought yet. I'm contributing ETH to their pool. But yeah, it gives you all the instructions on this page. So you connect your wallet, and then the next page opens up, which is this one. For some reason, there you go. This is the page that comes up, which will then let you buy the GSG token. Once it's connected to your MetaMask wallet, then you basically just enter the amount there and hit buy, and then that gets you in. And it is that simple. So if you don't know how to use MetaMask, it's pretty simple. You just install it on your Chrome browser, and yeah, it's automatically on the Ethereum network, so you will have to deposit some ETH in there. As you know, ETH gas fees are pretty high. So yeah, I did ask in their Telegram group whether I could pay with ETH, and they said, yeah, that's fine. So that is how you enter that, and I do feel that this will be huge. So I mean, it has a large community already with hundreds of players ready to activate in-game assets. And it has these backers. You can watch their promo video. It's all on their website. And, you know, I think play-to-earn gaming, it is going to turn the gaming industry on its head, like what they're saying. Like in the next 10 years, it is just going to be overturned. So, yeah, I mean, something like this is just awesome, because if you own an NFT, you can rent it out, and then you give people from underprivileged countries the chance to make a full-time income from like loaning your NFT and playing any of the games. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. And these are the play to earn games. So I've noticed Atlas is on there, which I've promoted before. Axie Infinity, you'll probably know. And then there's all these ones as well. I've heard of Splinterlands. Yeah, it's awesome. So, and it's amazing. Only 1% of gamers are currently playing play to earn based games. That is actually really amazing. So yeah, these guys are out of Indonesia apparently. Bali, Indonesia. Did I just read that right? Yeah. Based out of Bali, Indonesia, we're empowering. Yeah, amazing. I might just play this as I'm recording. Oh, it's not going to have any sound. So yeah, you guys can check that out yourself. So while I'm here, I thought I may as well just also talk about a platform called ZK Sync, which is a wallet. I'll show you. It's like a DEX exchange. So I would highly recommend that everyone watching this deposit some money into here. You have to, again, use your MetaMask wallet on the ETH blockchain and deposit some money and use this site because this is an ETH layer 2, and by using their site you may be eligible for an airdrop where they drop free coins in the future. Like I've been part of these before. Previously I was using Uniswap last year, and they gave all Uniswap users 400 unis for free, which later turned out to be at the peak price worth about $20,000. So it is worth using these platforms just in case they do an airdrop, and then you hold the token and you can sell it, when it peaks and make really good money. Like, it's just like I was given a free 20 grand at the time. So, however, I didn't hold it till the peak. I sold it before, so I didn't actually make 20 grand, but it was free and it was amazing. So highly recommend using ZK Sync. As well, I've also bought their token on gate.io, the ZKS token, which is linked to that as well, ZK Swap. At the moment it's selling on gate.io, so I bought some of those tokens as well. It's currently very cheap, so good time to buy as well. There is a lot of upside potential growth in it. As you can see, it did get up to $10.67 and it's now 43 cents. So another highly recommended coin. Just a disclaimer, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. Yeah, so this is just basically what I'm doing. Not financial advice, educational and informational and entertainment purposes only. So that's that. And while I'm here, I may as well, as I'm talking about layer 2s on ETH, just do a quick chart reading. A chart update. It sounds like I'm doing an astrology reading when I say chart reading. So I'll do a chart analysis on ETH. So at the moment, we are experiencing a very healthy retracement. Back to this support line here, it's holding. It seems to be holding at that level, and on the weekly, it's looking super healthy. That has done a slight retracement. So I do think ETH will continue to respect this trend line I've drawn here, basically because it is, respecting the Fibonacci level and this support level really well. And also what I've noticed on here is that it's forming into a very large triangle shape wedge. As you can see, if I make this wider, you can see it's hitting the bottom right now. I don't think it is going to go below, to be honest. And this is a very bullish sign on a weekly chart for this to happen. It basically shows that it's squeezing and squeezing and squeezing, and then it will come to a point where it will just blast off again. So I'm thinking that it may just maybe go back to touch the trend line again before then taking off again and squeezing out of this triangle again. That's my thoughts on ETH. So yeah, I think I'll just keep it short and sweet for this video, basically. But yeah, with ETH, definitely I do feel it is a good investment to have ETH and all the layer 2s, like holding your money in those throughout next year. I think it's a very good, safe, bet. Well, not bet, but, investment. Yeah, because that's what I'm doing. So, and I've heard a lot of people, saying that is the trend, that layer 2s will just take off, and, ETH, 2.0 coming out. So, yeah, all good reasons to hodl. So, yeah, I think I'll just keep it to that for this video. Yeah, if you've got any questions, just hit me up. I do have a private Telegram group which you can join. It is by membership, like there is an entry fee, because I am sharing everything that I'm doing, and it's like a course. I've got how-to videos, how to do everything, and I'm there to lend a helping hand. If you ever get caught or stuck, we can do one-on-ones. That's all included in the price. So I think, having my group and the video course, it's all part of the price that you pay. It's very well worth it. I've seen others charge like 10 times, 5 times as much as what I charge, and they don't do any hand-holding or anything. So, and I also do, the latest drops, and yeah, it's my full-time occupation at the moment. So I'm there to help. If you've got any questions, please ask. All the links are below. And please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.